My name is Herry. I'm working with ECO East Africa as a biogas technician, and also ECO East Africa working with the Creative Energy from UK in a biogas project. Today I'm going to present adoption and scaling up of biogas digester in rural communities of Tanzania. Initial ECO thought during 2015 is to integrate biogas technology activity because ECO realized there is add value in conservation agriculture. Adoption of biogas digester, which is more affordable, and also constructed using material available locally, easy to construct and maintain. As you can see, we start in training. After training, we come out with scaling up youth to take technology forward as a part of their business. Up to now, we train 120 participants in different areas in Tanzania, in a different village. And also linking with microfinance institution for biogas digester in solution loans. And up to now, ECO we able to build 30 digester in different areas. We keep learning and improve the technology, and we start harvest surplus gas from the biogas digester and training the people who own the digester and business models called peer-to-peer, selling neighbors' houses, and I'm the owner of the digester to get a little money to sustain their lives. And also learning more about how to follow the performance of digester, to install smart meter to realize if there is a problem of the fault or something happened to digester, is able to correct directly while on the phone or go direct to the digester. In result of building biogas digester is cooking and also using bioslurry to plant and different type of crops, vegetable, and to create more nutrients to the land. Thank you. And thank you. This is my end of my presentation.